Guys, I don't know if we're live or not. It seems like we might be live right now. Who knows? That's how long it took me to restart my computer. Absolutely ridiculous. Now we still need to open Weeble and all of that stuff. Oh, so if you're in here, thank you very much for being in here. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Amber, we made it. My goodness. And I want to say thank you to Jason. I want to say thank you to Chris. At the very beginning, man, you guys were grabbing members. I really appreciate that. We need to make sure we get this. Yeah, that's how long it took me to restart my computer. If you guys were keeping track, I swear. 20 minutes. Gosh, you're on. Christopher, thank you very much for becoming a member. I know I saw you in the chat. Everybody saying welcome. Thank you to everybody saying welcome, even though it wasn't on the screen. We do have to see if we can pull up Weeble and all that good stuff now. I'm telling you, Simon, if you guys want to test your patience, if you really want to test your patience, I will mail you this slap, and then you can schedule a stream, and then be 40 minutes late from stream. Test your patience. I will definitely make that. Welcome, Clay, on live. Thank you very much for welcoming me to my live stream. Appreciate that. It's okay to get rid of the synthetics this way. Yes, 11 Simon. I got rid of a lot more than just synthetics this way. Ridiculous. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can open up Weeble and get this thing going now because we're good to go. And, dude, I was drinking that apple juice this morning, and it was definitely bad. Or the apple juice. Apple cider. So I threw the rest of it away. Luckily, it was the last drink, and gone. No more apple cider now. Welcome, Christopher. Yes, it's on the rise. Shiba was watching it. So Shiba's sitting at like 5,500 points per coin right now. Looking very good. Oh, man, this sounds like I'm interested in. Good, Diffy dog. I'm glad. No ladybug in it. There was nothing today. There are. Okay, I don't see it over, but I don't know if there's any lady there or not. But it's really snowing for like the last 24 hours. You have Weeble open. Not telling me. Don't open it. I gotta open it. I gotta open it. Putting up here. Got it. We are again. Got it. Thank you. We got left of this computer. Black Friday deal coming in what? 2 weeks? About so. Black Friday. Probably. Yeah. Gonna get that Friday. Thank you very much. You are lagging, Clay. Yes, Mr. Simon. Definitely lagging, man. But lagging is not, I guess. Is it just me or is Clay skipping? 5214. Not. It's lagging big time. Hopefully, all clears up. Maybe it's just because they're taking like a half hour to. Pringle lagging. If the audio's lagging, that should. Let me know if it's the audio or if it's just the video. Yeah, I can see that the video doesn't really look like there's lag. It probably is. On my computer, I have an app stream. It's the remix. All right, everything audio's terrible. Well, hey, you know what we could do? We could just sit here and watch the graphs. We could just sit here graphs together and just enjoying company. It's a little ridiculous today. It's theme for today. I don't know why. Audio's choppy too. Yeah, I can tell the audio is not right. My goodness, I'm telling you. All right, click. I don't speak choppy. When sit eating Rattler. Haley's Clay. There's 18. Oh yeah. Strobe light and roll. Oh, guys. very sorry. I'm very sorry that it is looking like this. It has to be computers restarting. Say the stream was better before you showed up. JK, for real, this chop is hurting my head. Yeah, I can imagine it's hurting. Trust me, like as much as it's hurting, imagine how much it's testing my patience right now. That I can't just come on here, stream for an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then like I literally have to fight to go on. I'm living in night. And blame it is Ohio's fault. On the ground, I think how to work today. There's nothing. There's literally nothing on. One, two light, that light right there. That's it. Could be timing as soon as this turns off, and it's just you guys aren't here. I will be punching the air for sure. Put up like you did that one day. We were in a little way. I don't know if that's the problem, because that day was fine. I could do that, but that day was fine. Right now, 2 seconds. Let me reset this off. Maybe problem. That's lagging. So let's. Is this any better? Nah, I guarantee this is still lagging. I can tell you. On the photo in the CD player to impress a girl, which is crazy. Run the wheel faster. Riptide, no. I honestly, I should just sit here and watch the chart because I have no idea what this. What exactly? Idea. I can explain the meaning. Oh, dude, the meaning of to become a person. That is exactly what we are right now. AKA Shiba Inu get just ridiculous. I don't have any audio or anything. Let me see something. Is this audio better? Like, I know this audio does not sound as good, but is that audio better? Because I know the it might be better with this headphone, but it doesn't seem like that camera wants to work. Oh boy. Alright, it definitely doesn't seem like that camera wants to work. I don't know why it doesn't want to work right, so the video might be glitching a little bit, but as long as you guys can hear the audio and it's not absurd, then alright, we can deal with that, right? Audio is much better. Yeah, video is going to be lacking. I don't know what the deal is with the video. Nothing but problems all morning. Much better. Alright, good deal. Harder to hear, but less choppy. Yeah, I might be able to turn that up slightly. Might not be as hard to hear. I know this audio is not going to be as good as the other audio, but I can hear you better. Just tiny, but a bit tiny, but fine. Yeah, Pringleton, that's what I'm figuring, man. I got the audio turned up as loud as I can over here on my side, and it's going to be coming through this, through the headphones here. But I don't know what to do about the video lagging. So we're not using the video's audio anymore. We're going to be using this. All right, it is good. At least we can understand you. Yes. And Nick F. I saw them turn the microwave off. Peyton! Dark Clay, you're feeling the Mondays. Amen. Ah, Peyton. Thank you very much for the super chat. I am feeling the Mondays right now. Dude, I'm telling you. I don't know what it is. Sorry that the video is lagging. Thank you very much for that. We're pushing through, man. We're pushing through. We're doing it, and we're doing it right. I'm disappointed in the quality of the stream this morning, but definitely encouraged by you guys being in here. Thank you very much. And yes, Peyton, this is an exact replica of what the Mondays should feel like, so thank you for welcoming me back, Week. I really appreciate that. Whoa, Peyton coming out of nowhere. Nice, man. Nice. Time for your video card to crap out. I'm telling you, man, it's something. It's either the connection between the camera and the computer or what, but I know we're lagging. I know it's not good quality, but it'll be fine. Hopefully it improves on the afternoon stream. Peyton starting the laptop fund right there. Yes, we're gonna have to grab that Black Friday deal, and then everything will be better from there on out. I hope. No promises, but I do hope. Fact, I made my girlfriend sell her other stocks $200 worth and go all into Prog. She's currently up $4. Oh my god, nice, Devil's Advocate. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Prog is rolling this morning, up 11% the last time I looked. Let's see what we got right now. Prog sitting at, almost 15% on the day, $3.40. Shoot, I'm almost breaking even again. My Prog's at $3.50. I should have added... Dude, I should have added those calls this morning. I actually was looking at it, and then it started running, and I was like, yeah, I don't know about that, and then it just continued running. So very nice on that one. Farmy down, can't hold on to gains to save its life, sitting at 32 cents and 32.59 cents. AMC up about 5% today, sitting at 41.82. GameStop rolling to 207.58. MACT 483, and what do we got? Shiba Inu Coin sitting at 54.86, retesting those 5,500 highs, if anybody was wondering. And my goodness, we are trying to pull back in here to Streamlabs, and it's not wanting to pull it up. There it is. All right, great. Shiba is rising. Sebastian, yes, it is. Sitting at 5,500 points per coin right now. Clay, when I get done driving, I need your thoughts on an AMC situation. Absolutely, Chris. Absolutely, man. Make sure to remind me. Clay, saw that already, Chris. Yes, definitely. Clay, it's a dangerous game, man. I'm telling you, Devil's Advocate, life is a dangerous game. I'm about to lose it all on prog calls, but if they hit, I'm going to hit hard. Dude, I saw that, man. Either a millionaire or bust, dude. I don't know where you're... Well, first of all, you don't have to expire in the money, right? You don't have to wait until Friday to go and sell those calls. If you end up hitting in positive territory, then, you're going to be better off going on a run early in the week like we're doing right now. So I would keep an eye on that. Dude, I hope you just absolutely wreck it, though, man, and you just walk away with so much money, man. Now we get scams calling me. Have you heard of Rivian? Yes, I have heard of Rivian. You made it, regular potato. I'm telling you, dude. Rough morning. The stream, the computer was not working. The camera is still glitching out a little bit, so we're using this other audio. We're going to make it, man. We're going to make it today. It'll be okay. IQS started running last week. Shorts unwinding. I hope so, Genie. I hope so. How much of a pain is it to do the taxes at the end of the year when buying and selling? I read that the IRS wants to know every coin or stock sold, even if at a loss. So it shouldn't be that bad, man. Your broker sends you everything. So literally you don't have to go in there and worry about like fine-tuning every single thing that there is. Your broker sends you everything. They keep record of it. That's one of the reasons you've got a broker, is to keep record of it. And then they've got it all taken care of for you. So no, it's not that big of a deal, especially even if you're day trading and you're out there trading, 10 times a day. It's not that big of a deal. You got your tablet. I can send you a screenshot of them on Twitter if you're about to ask. Yeah, my tablet's right there. Give me 2 seconds. Options update from Frank. Read that options update while I get my tablet. All right, we're here. Oh, wow. Good deal, man. My watch told me to stand up, and I just stood up. Kyle G, good morning to you. Options update from Frank. This week is, of course, the monthly options. Key levels, $50 strike, 20.6 thousand. $45 strike, 11.7 thousand. $40 strike, 11.6 thousand. Looking towards higher end of the week, higher end of the week. Notables 42, 43, 44, all around 5,000 each. Frank, man, thank you very much for the options update. Really appreciate that. Can you explain shorts really quick? Chris Brown Sr., absolutely, man. So what a short is normally when you buy a stock, you buy it and you hope the price goes up. If you short a stock, you sell it and hope the price goes down. You essentially borrowed it from somebody, sold it, want the stock to go down, and because you have to buy it back. So that's the main difference in buying a stock and shorting a stock. Shorting it, you sell it before you ever buy it. You hope the stock price goes down so you can buy it back. Buying it, you hope the stock price goes up so you can sell it later and make money that way. You think you'll ever cover Saitama and get on the bandwagon? Brandon, it's possible, man. Right now, there's almost nobody searching for Saitama, right? And it's still developing as a project, as a coin. It's still gathering its community. So there is a possibility, man. But I think that more has to come out about it before we make it like a major theme. Good morning, Clay. Prudence, good morning to you. What's up with this? Just saw Gemini had Shiba at 0.00027. Did not see Gemini having Shiba 0.00027. Mike, that would be kind of ridiculous if they had it with 3 zeros and 27. I did not see that. I got a response from the main guy doing the Shiba burn party tonight, and he said everything being burned is going to the main burned wallet. Chris, very nice, dude. Yeah, I actually got an email from the guy that's doing that Shiba party, so I thought that was pretty cool. I could be extremely wrong about them making me a millionaire because I don't know how to really work the calculator, but I thought it would be around $10 specifically for the $5.50 ones, but I don't know. Let's see here. Let's see. What do we have here? Mr. Devil's Advocate, very nice. Nice, nice, nice. Dang, dude. Very nice. Dude, that's not bad at all, man. I hope that... dude, actually, if you go on a little run from where we're at right now, I think that you could really see those things take off. You got to get it quick, though, man. You got to get it quick, because you don't want that time value to rip... Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. NCF, ask your family what that means. Grandpa working major windstorm. Turn on power to 2,300 customers. Off to the next one. My gosh, Grandpa Barney never stops working the storms. Love you all. Stay strong. Family always have struggles and issues, but always stay together and help each other out. Be kind and love each other. Love you. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. Guys, 2,300 people have power because Grandpa Barney is out there working. Let me tell you, sometimes this dude works 40 hours straight without stopping. He is an absolute machine. An absolute machine. And listen, I do want to tell you while you're in here, Grandpa Barney, everybody's the giveaway. Everybody's giveaway shirts have been mailed except yours, Grandpa Barney. I'm waiting on that extra small. All right, I'm waiting on that extra small, and I didn't want to send it out twice. I just wanted to make sure that you and Grandma Barney both got your shirts at the same time. So everybody's giveaway shirts have been mailed except for yours, dude. So thank you very much, and thank you very much to the super chat. Really appreciate it. Dude, give Grandpa Barney some love, man. If you're working 40 hours straight, you know that is difficult, and I have no idea what his situation is, man. I don't know if his boss appreciates him, if his manager, his team appreciates him, or lets him know, because I'm sure they do. Anybody that works like that. But for real, let Grandpa Barney know, even if you don't live in the Seattle area and he's bringing power to you. Imagine, man. Imagine your power goes out. And then you got just a group of guys out there trying to restore power to the entire area. And they're working 30, 40 hours straight with no sleep, trying to make sure you get your power back. We take it for granted. But guys like Grandpa Barney really make sure that we have what we need, especially because, dude, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna go climb no telephone pole right now and try to rehook up some power line that's gonna kill me if I touch it wrong and everything like that. So Grandpa Barney, man, thank you. I appreciate you. I know the 126 people in here appreciate you. and all of the hard work he got out there, man. Absolutely incredible and absolute inspiration. Grandpa's bills a month, Netflix $8.99, Hulu $14.99, utilities $4.99, mortgage $1,800, Claybro Super Chats $89,854. Boom! Grandpa Barney is the best grandpa ever, and we know it, guys. Kyle G. Have you heard of Pi Network? Yes, I have. If so, what are your thoughts on it? I don't know enough to actually figure out, develop a very strong opinion on it, Kyle. So, unfortunately, I don't have I'm not being swayed one way or another, dude. What are your thoughts on it? And then maybe I can go back and kind of pick up on what I've read about it and start a discussion on it. But right now, I don't know enough to speak on it and give some sort of a speech on it. But absolutely, dude, if you've got some points you want to bring up about it and then we can go back and forth and discuss it, I think that would be at least a little bit more conducive to what I know about it right now. I still have my wrench. Hey, Clay, John Goldsmith, still sitting on a wrench, man. Oh, it's not going to get taken away today. I can tell you that. I'm not going to give the computer any opportunity to do anything worse to me today. Nothing like pole climbing in the sub-zero temperatures. Frank, dude, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, there's no way. And I know you guys wear warm clothes. You stay warm out there and all that stuff. But I don't even want to walk outside right now and do anything. So the fact that you guys are out there working, you guys are making sure everybody's got power and communication lines and everything. It is incredible. Clay, are you planning on having space calls on Twitter? Joan de Jesus. Actually, man, I don't have any plans on that. But if you guys would want to do something like that, I don't see why we couldn't. At least just hang out there, right? How do I get my t-shirts? Mark, you didn't win a t-shirt, right? So I would say just wait to win a t-shirt if you want. If you don't want to wait to win one for the next giveaway, which I don't know when it's going to be, you can use the link in the description below for claybro.com and get your t-shirt there. NCF ask, hair looking, guys, what is NCF? I don't even know what NCF. What is NCF? Not Clay. Not Clay. What is NCF? Hair looking good, my boy. I would go big screen, but I know it's lagging, so we'll go slow. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. Really appreciate that. What is NCF? New computer fund. Oh, gotcha. New computer fund. Dude, you guys are coming up with acronyms without me? Oh, that's messed up, man. That's messed up. Coming up with acronyms without me. New computer fund. Oh, no. Golly, bum, man. New computer fund. Oh, my gosh. New computer fund. I told you. You guys can't come up with inside joke. Listen, I have to be involved in the inside joke. Okay? I have to be involved in the inside jokes in here. That's just how it works. You can't have inside jokes without me. Like, what are you doing? So, thank you for the NCF. Really appreciate that. Black Friday is going to be a good day, man. It's going to be a good day. Have you ever played in Wonderland Time? I have not, Atomic. New computer fund. Frank, Donnell, Devil's Advocate. Oh, it's an acronym for Wrestler Sex Life. Gotcha. That one sounds a little bit better. Maybe me and Devil's Advocate have our own inside jokes now, since you guys want to have your inside jokes without me. Space calls and make the members co-host. The rest can be listeners. We can share personal stuff about ourselves and get to know each other better. Members co-host. Yeah. So members of the chat, we could definitely do something like that, guys. I have never set up a space call before. I think we could do something like that. If you guys just wanted a place to hang out too, like jump in, jump out whenever you want. Clearly, if we did something like that, I mean, I could be on it for a minute, but honestly, if I'm not live, like I'm making these videos and everything else, so we could, actually, I could dedicate one of these tablets to hosting one too, if you guys wanted to do that, and then like I could just be on mute if I'm doing something. But no, we can make that a hangout place if you guys wanted to. What did wrestlers say? Devil's Advocate. Oh, you guys are by far the best, man. You guys are by far the best. Wrestler, you're amazing. We're gonna hook you up with some Black Friday deals, my dude. Let's get it, Nick. Let's get it. We gotta find this. We got to find the best deal in town on Black Friday and take advantage of it. I missed you talking about Excel spreadsheet of coins. You were looking into it? So John, you didn't miss anything about it today, man. You didn't miss anything about it today. But here's where it's at right now, okay? All of these, and this is the strategy, and we're hopefully going to be able to do this. I got to find some time to email all these people back that email me all day long. So I've got probably 20 different coins emailing me, asking me to talk about their coins. So the strategy that I'm thinking is, okay, great. We've got 20 different developers or whatever, projects out there that are trying to get me to promote their projects in some way. All of these little coins. I don't have a problem doing that, right? Especially if it's going towards this 2022 portfolio. Because I do want to see which of these meme coins could actually be the next Shiba Inu coin. Which one could turn $1 into $1 million? So I've been responding to some of them. They've been sending some back. I didn't get a chance to look over all the responses yet. But some of them are actually interested in working together, okay? And what I've been saying is look, yeah, I'm going to start this 2022 portfolio. I have no problem kind of going over your project, giving it a little highlight, and you know, adding it to that portfolio. But I would prefer that you sponsor your portion of that portfolio. So if we do that, man, we might get some of these little meme coin projects out there to kind of just hook up the wallet for the 2022 portfolio on their end. And then any of these other coins that you guys can come up with and think of, we'll be adding those. Like I'll just go out and add that position to the 2022 portfolio. And then we're going to see, you know, which one is the winner and kind of which ones end up being losers. But I don't have the Excel spreadsheet open right now. I think there was about 40 coins in there that you guys had given me, and then like another 20 coins that I'm going back and forth with and emailing. Where's my Brat? I don't know. Brat has a blue name, but I have not seen her in here yet today, Grandpa Barney. I have not seen her. Grandpa loves you all. Got to get to work. Check in tomorrow, Grandpa Barney. Thank you very much for hanging out with us, man. And really, really appreciate the NCF, guys. Really appreciate the NCF. Amazing. Do you know much about making money passively with nodes like Strong? So, Mike, nodes like Strong. No, I do not know anything about nodes like Strong, but you may be talking about like staking. Is that what you're talking about, or is it something different? Clay's Millionaire Club. Let's get it, Kevin. Let's get it. Let's check out. What's up? Check out. Yeah. So Adventures. We're definitely not checking anything out today that is not currently on the screen and clicking around and destroying the computer even more than it's already been destroyed. But we will be doing that soon. We'll be able to check out all these little coins soon. Right now, you can get 35 million coins for like $70. Adventures of Fat Man and Blob. I really like this dude's name. Adventures of Fat Man and Blobbin. Quick story, okay? Man. He's probably not listening right now. He probably doesn't even know I have a YouTube channel. So anyway, I was in first grade, all right? And I don't know, it was probably 15 years ago now, but I was watching some of the videos from first grade. My mom and dad came to the Halloween party. My dad was dressed up as Batman for Halloween. And this kid in my first grade class said, "What are you supposed to be?" My dad's like, "I'm Batman." He's like, "You don't look like Batman, you look like Fat Man." This is first grade, dude. This first grade kids ripping on my dad like 30 years ago. Absolutely loved it. And kid's name was Ryan. If you're listening right now, Ryan, shout out to you, man. Stop ripping on my dad. Fat Man, Batman, same thing though. Fat Man and Blobbin though. I like it. Well, what do you mean by joining? Christian. Not exactly sure who said joining. Are you talking about joining the channel, or are you talking about the 2022 portfolio, since we were just talking about that? Good morning, keeping it gangsta, Latino heat. You know what it is, dude. The video's lagging, but we are keeping it as gangster as possible right now. Hey, yo, why you coming at me like that? Christian, I ain't coming at you like anything, man. Speaking of NCF, where is Elizabeth? Elizabeth, where are you right now? Are you in the chat? I love it when people are in the chat and then we ask where they're at, and then all of a sudden they chime in, but they're like busy or something, so they haven't been typing yet. Webcam is laggy, and I don't know why. I'm eggplant. Everybody's an eggplant. I'm an eggplant to wrestler. Don't worry about that. I'm an eggplant to wrestler too. Everybody's an eggplant to wrestler. But yes, it is true, man. The cam is extremely laggy today. I've been having nothing but problems all morning. So don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Look at the graph, dude. Yes, that was me. Tell your dad I'm sorry. I was going through some stuff. First grade was a rough year. My mom got rid of nap time for me. First grader from the story. Oh, it was you. I knew it was you, man. It's all right, dude. You are forgiven. You're forgiven. We can take nap times now. What the heck do you guys think I do on that lunch break for 2 hours? It's nap time, man. Ciao from Italy. Ciao from Ohio. What is going on, Andrea Franco? How are you? When is a good time to sell Shiba Inu? When you are making some serious money. Matthew, so it depends if you are trading Shiba or if you're planning on holding Shiba long term. If you're planning on holding Shiba long term, I don't think you have to worry about selling it anytime soon, man. I think you're going to be able to hold on to it for a couple of years. But if you are looking at like trading it and you're looking for some levels of resistance, we got resistance here at 5,500. Next level we can look at is 6,000. So if we pull back from 6,000, you may want to consider selling that there. If you're trading it, if you're holding it, please don't sell it at 6,000 because it can go so much higher than that. Christian, you're an eggplant because you didn't hit the join button yet. Oh, gotcha. Hit the join button, Christian. Don't be an eggplant. By Saitama, I did not. Did you? From India, language limit breaker. I like it. Hodl that sheep. That's exactly what I'm doing. Ciao from California. Regular potato. Ciao from California. Ciao from Ohio, man. Hey, Claire, bro. Has Helium HNT came across your radar yet? It's a fun one to mine. So, Genie, I have not been mining that, but that is the, isn't that the one where you can get, like, free dedicated miners and then mine it that way? I don't really know how that works, but I've actually seen a lot of videos on that, and I've got my miners set up with RX 570s, and I'm mining Raven coin right now. So I'm pretty sure you're talking about the one where you can buy that dedicated miner or get that dedicated miner for free, right? And get that passive income. Go AMC, let's get it, regular potato. AMC doing very nicely today. It was up 5% earlier, sitting at 4.63% right now. Very nice. Prague sitting at 15% gains on the day. Farmy 32.35 sitting there. Listen, if you guys want to take a lottery ticket chance on Farmy, I'm pretty sure Farmy, in order to regain in order to regain NASDAQ compliance, it's got to be above $1 by tomorrow, okay? So they could reverse split. They might come up with something. But if you want to take a little lottery ticket chance on that, it might be releasing earnings sometime this week. They might try to get some merger to get back up above $1. But that stock does have to be above $1. Otherwise, they need to file for extension or they will be listed on the pink sheets. So that could be something you want to look at. Farmy down here, FAMI is the ticker. AMC sitting at 41.80, MMAT 483, and Fun. Man, Wrestler, I hope you make some money on Fun sometime soon, dude. We need to make Fun again. Shiba Inu sitting at 55.52. Let's go 56 on Shiba Inu, guys. That's what I want to see right now. I'm subscribed. No problems here. Very nice, Christian. And you know we're messing with you, man. If we call you an eggplant, it's just because Wrestler calls everybody eggplants, dude. AMC got that W hard, man. It does, dude. We're going to make it even better and bigger. All right, Picoin. Jason holding Picoin. Very nice. Christian, in order to be considered an elite, join us right now. Wrestler, yes, join us right now. Hello in Iraq. I'm in Ohio, but Steven, thank you very much for tuning in from Iraq, man. I really appreciate that. Wi-Fi based mining protocol. Cheap to mine. Genie, yeah, I do hear it's cheap to mine, but I don't know if you need, can you mine it just on your laptop, or do you need that miner? Because I'm pretty sure that's the one they got that has that dedicated miner for it. Wrestler, how? What do you mean? Christian, oh, he's talking about, I don't know if you're on iPhone or Android. If you're on Android, he's talking about getting that green name. You can't see it's green. I can see it's green. But getting that icon and clicking the blue join button next to the subscribe button. If you're on iPhone, he's talking about copying and pasting the link in the description below that says join the channel, become a bro. It does cost $2.99, okay, or the $4.99 one if you want. But you got that green name, you become a member, and you get the member perks. You get the monthly member free member chat that shows up like a super chat and all that good stuff. Click. I know I've got complete faith in AMC and haven't had a problem holding. There's a woman in my life. The only thing that I'd shatter my diamond hands for, ... What, dude? Is a ring? Is this what my boy's about to say? Is a ring? What is it, Chris? Let us know. Hello from Quebec. Oh, hi from Quebec. Bonjour, Jason. How are you? Showing diamond hands for this is like that connection with 10 years of fighting timing. I don't even know what's going on right now. This is like that connection with 10 years of fighting dude, this is like my connection is like it's from 10 years ago and I'm still on dial-up. Hey Clint, do you listen to Wade Houston? His insight on GME is great. You should get some. I should get some, but I have not listened to him. So I did listen to some of his stuff a long time ago with Jackson Hunter, but I haven't listened to either one of them in a while since they really started going off about them bonds. What would you suggest? Would you suggest buying Prague now? Bud, so listen, Prague, I believe, has some of the best short squeeze numbers out there. And my Prague, I'm sitting on Prague at $3.50. So even if you bought right now, you'd be lower than my cost average. Would have been nice to buy this morning, right? But we didn't. My cost average is at $3.50. So if you bought now, you'd be doing better than I am. So to answer your question, yes, I would not have a problem buying Prague right now. But if you want like long-term fundamental merger acquisition project news, Devil's Advocate is our in-house Prague expert. If you want like short squeeze numbers, Prague is sitting around at 65% short interest, 100% cost to borrow, roughly 100% utilization. The numbers are off the charts when it comes to the short squeeze. Hello from Arizona. Pugnacious. Hello from Ohio, man. No, I just don't want to miss out our timing to wait for the hedges to stop playing games, but I also don't want to paper hand. Yeah, dude. So look, man, I don't think that, and you know my thoughts on paper handing, right? I think that paper handing is just like if you get emotional and want to give up, okay? But we know that the numbers are still out there. We know the numbers are still the same. But at the same time, man, I know, like if you're sitting on 100 shares of AMC, and 100 shares of AMC is too much, okay? I don't think it's paper handing to lessen your position and, get to what you're comfortable holding either. Clearly, if you sell a little early, right, you could have made more money by holding. But I think you have to be willing to hold what you're willing to hold. So I wouldn't consider anything paper handing if you sold some shares to lessen your position in order to be comfortable with your position. And Peyton, man, thank you for grabbing that green name. You guys know what I want to see right now. 214. Welcome, Peytons, to the chat. Don't let me down. Peyton, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, man. Bud, thank you for answering. Bud, thank you for the super chat. And thank you for supporting the channel, man. And absolutely, I really hope to be able to answer every single chat that comes across the screen. Whether it's a super chat, whether it's just a regular chat, anything. That's my intention, is to make this chat, to make this live as interactive as possible. I know that we got off to a rough start this morning. It's been glitching. The audio's not normal, and hopefully we get that worked out and sorted out by the end of the day. But yes, absolutely, bud. That's the goal here. Welcome, Lockwood. Welcome, Peyton. Peyton. Welcome, Peyton. Yes, man. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Man, that was way harder, though, though it was dumb iPhone. Peyton, I'm telling you, man, I don't understand why iPhone does not like to work with YouTube like that. But they do not want you to easily just click that join button. Android clearly has a lot better connection with YouTube. But iPhones, they're not doing it. They're not making it easy on people. But thank you very much for grabbing that green name. I know if you guys are on... Can you see it? Can you see the green names on iPhone? I know if you're on Android, you can't see the green names. But I can see the green names in the chat. Lewis has a green name. Wrestler, Rarita, Nufo, Danelle, 11 on the Simon, Justin, Peyton, Wrestler, Lady Katie, Jason. All green names in the chat, and absolutely appreciate every single one of you guys. What do you do for a living? Kevin, good question, man. Somebody actually, I think it was Banana Man that asked me the other day, but I'm not exactly sure now who it was. I think it was Banana Man. Said, what do you tell your friends that you do for a living? Well, dude, I invest and I hang out on YouTube. I mean, clearly, I hang out on YouTube a lot these days, making 4 videos a day and 2 live streams. Definitely a lot, but at this point, it's there's no 9 to 5 at this point, man. Yes, you can. Nice, Lady Katie. That's good, because I don't know why. At least they allow you to see the green names. They make it very hard to sign up, but at least they allow you to see the green names. Just Safari Desktop, YouTube, and then it's simple. Gotcha. Peyton, there you go, guys. Use Safari desktop and go to YouTube, and then it's simple. Shoot, man. Making life easier. Peyton, thank you very much, dude. Should I buy $1,000 worth of Shiba right? No. Smack all. So if you bought $1,000 worth of Shiba right now, I do think that you have the potential to make some money. We are, let's pull this out real quick. Let's pull this out real quick and see what, oh man, I hope by going through Weeble it doesn't lock things up, because it is really, really trying to act slow today. All right, so you can see, look what we did here. We had this wedge. You guys can see this wedge that we were in, right? From these lower highs that we were hitting and these higher lows that we were hitting, we formed this wedge. And then instead of breaking out of this wedge, we've just continued to trade basically sideways ever since, right where the wedge stopped. So in all honesty, this is really wanting to drag out, okay? I don't know if we should necessarily do this because we're not even connecting all of the higher lows at this point. I just want to leave it here. Honestly, I just want to leave it here. I just want to leave the wedge here. Connecting the higher lows and then the lower highs. And then this is what we're doing, man. We're just trading dead sideways from that wedge break. So that's what we're looking at right now. Hopefully, we do have a glimmer of hope on this 4-hour chart right now with these two green candles back above the 5-period moving average. And if we're able to break out of this little resistance level at 5,800 points per coin, we might see a nice run up into the 6,000s again. So somebody asked if you had $1,000 if you would buy right now. This is indicating that it could be a good time to buy. All right, we're bouncing off this level right here. We're testing it. If we break through it, you're going to be pleased with your buy. Prog, J-Bones, let's get it, man. Prog is running today, up about 15%. We need Prog to get back above 350. That's where I'm holding my Prog at, is 350. Plus, I want to see Devil's Advocate make some sick money on these options. Cleavage, Christian needs help becoming a broski. Wrestler, Christian, just go to your internet browser and go to desktop, YouTube, then the join icon is there. Yeah, Christian, so you can do that if you're only using your computer. I mean, if you're using your phone, you can copy and paste that link in the description that says, like, click here to join and become a bro. Or you can just open Safari and do it that way and go out to YouTube and find the channel there. Or if you're on the computer, it should be easier just using the desktop version. But I know not everybody is on their computer. Smack that ask button. Yes, you spelled it wrong. I'm comfortable now, but with her, I'm in a hole until this squeeze. If I pull out, just raises a lot of questions. Like I have a time limit for waiting for the hedges to cover now. Gotcha, Chris. Gotcha. So you kind of put yourself into a little bit of an expiration date on there. I get it. And you know what? That's life, dude. That's life. I wouldn't kick yourself about that, man, right? And especially if, if you've got people like that you got to take care of and you got to worry about, then that doesn't reflect poorly on you or anything. It's life, dude. You got expenses that arise, and you absolutely need to take care of them. That's why it is so important to only invest money that you're willing to invest and that you're willing to risk, right? So if circumstances change, there's nothing wrong with readjusting your holdings based on those circumstances. Smack the like button. Lady Katie, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to click that like button. I know it's been a short stream this morning, and it's been a rough stream this morning, but hopefully we're able to get those likes up above 200. Sal Scott, welcome to the little bro. Sal, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Sal figured it out. Christian can do it too. I know he can. And Christian, if you don't want to, man, we're just messing with you, right? We're having some fun. But Sal, thank you very much. You guys know what I want to see right now. 274. Welcome, Sal Scotts, to the chat. Let's get it. Donnell says, welcome, Sal. Rarita, welcome, Sal. Nufo, throwing the chipmunk love out there. Yes, I risk all, bro. Regular Potato is not scared of anything. Regular Potato is throwing all caution to the wind and risking it all. I was willing to invest it all and wait until this weekend. She pretty much said the timing is right for her. Gotcha, Chris. Gotcha. MS Workmeister, thank you very much for the super chat. Whoop, whoop. Turned 800 into 3,000 flipping Shiba margin since Thursday by being conservative, doing a bunch of smaller transactions and cost averaging down. MS Workmeister, I love it. Flipping Shiba on margin, okay? That is risky. We clearly know that. Turning 800 into 3,000. Excellent trading, man. Excellent trading. What are you doing that on, though? Are you doing that on, oh crap, what is the platform that I just made a video on this weekend that allows margin trading? KuCoin. You doing that on KuCoin, or what are you doing that on? Because that excellent trading, man. Excellent trading, turning 800 into 3,000. I love it, dude. Grandpa Barney wants a purple name. Grandpa Barney, I wish, like, if anybody can get in touch with YouTube, because I know YouTube transcribes everything, so I know they're listening, but I think that it would be awesome to kind of not just change the icon, but maybe change the color of the name as well as the membership progresses, or give the YouTuber the ability to kind of like set those different levels or set those names, or even make different membership levels have different color names as well. Grandpa Barney, I think that's an excellent idea, man, but I think just instead of making those different membership levels, they should allow you to have, like, you know, green name for the lowest level, you know, red name, purple name, black name maybe, you know, whatever it is, silver name, gold name. I think that they should do that. I think that would be an excellent idea for them. Thanks, guys, for the lovely welcome. Let's become millionaires. Sal Scott, let's get it. And Christian, man, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Christian figured it out, guys. I want to see 289 welcome Christians to the chat this morning. You guys know how much I appreciate it. And look at all of the green names in the chat right now. Peyton, Christian, Nufo, Christian, Peyton, Amber, Lewis, Rita, Chris, Danelle, Christian, Lady Katie. I love the green names, man. Honestly, I believe they want SHIB to actually grow. A lot of people don't. Willie, a lot of people don't. Welcome, Christian. Yes, Joan De Jesus, the little bro gang. Where you at? We are here, man. If you spent $20 on Shiba, it reaches 1 cent. How much would you make? Kevin, I believe $20 right now gives you, what does that give you? Does that give you 500,000 Shiba? Does that give you 500,000 Shiba? And therefore it would turn into $5,000? I think it gives you 500,000. Prague is running. Monkey nut hair. What? I don't even know what that is. Maybe it squeezes today. Slow move, then a rocket to the moon. Fevers World. I would love it. Lady Katie, thank you for welcoming Christian. All of you guys. Patrick, DD214. Welcome to Christian. Everybody, thank you very much for welcoming Christian. Yes, guys, Prague is sitting up 15% on the day right now. 18% on the day. Back above break even. Sitting at 350. So look, the guy that asked if buying Prague was a good idea at 345, you're already making 5 cents a share. So excellent. Back on the phone now, though. Nice, Christian, and your name should be green. Yes, double-click that mouse button or slap the Ask Shiba. Let's go. Brad, let's get it, man. Double-clicking that on that buy button there. Let's make it happen. Welcome, Christian. Pugnacious, thank you very much. Yo, Clay, what's the resistance levels above 350? I haven't looked at them. Let's check out our resistance levels above 350. Let's pull it out to the bigger graph here. Find our Prague. Wherever Prague is at, sitting at 18% gains today. Prague doing very nice on the day, guys. It is running, and it is not too late to continue running. So 350, we're going to go out to, let's look at a daily chart first and see what we got. So we do have a slight level of resistance in this area. Kind of, we've been testing it, just touching here, touching here, touching here. Come back up to the upside, touching here, kind of ending our candles right in this 350 area. But I'm still going to say 375 could be a baby level, and then that $4 mark, man. So I would say 375 and $4 could be two levels of resistance, but I'm still gunning for that $5 mark. That's kind of my price target for a decent short-term gain on it. Although profited with money I took from it, Manny. Oh, got back into Shiba today after paper handing a week ago. Learned from that, Manny. Listen, and nothing wrong, guys. Nothing wrong. Like, I know that a lot of people these days are just using paper hand as like a derogatory term, okay? But there's nothing wrong with selling when you are comfortable selling and then realizing, well, you know what, maybe I shouldn't have sold, and buying back in, okay? Maybe you forego a few dollars, maybe you forego a better cost average or whatever. But if you look at yourself and look at the trade, how did you feel when you sold? And did it turn out the way you thought it was going to turn out? If you can grow because of it and you can learn to trade better because of it, you know, that's just the cost of learning, right? The better cost average and a few dollars more that you could have made, that's the cost of learning. There's nothing wrong with, you know, losing out on a few dollars, but you learned because of it. Click, you think we'll have a SPY down before end of year? Joan de Jesus, man. A lot of people always think that we will, but December always likes to produce that Santa Claus rally, man. So I think we might actually see some decent gains throughout December, but you know, I'm just being hopeful too, right? There's a lot going on with the country. There's a lot going on with markets all over the world right now. I am being hopeful, but I don't tend to be a very bearish investor, constantly worried about the market crashing. So I'm gonna say no, but it's definitely a possibility. You probably remember me. I love your videos. Thank you, man. Let's go Shiba Army up from Jupiter. Manny, thank you very much for the positive feedback. Really appreciate that. And Manny, I don't know. Have you been active in the live streams? I don't. The name's not ringing a bell. Did you change your name on here? Clay, if you're one of those guys who doesn't give price targets, or Clay, I don't know if you're one of those guys who doesn't give price targets or not, but do you have one for Prague? Strictly curious how you go about making one. I've heard real analysts say from 25 to 75. So look, man. The only thing I know, so like talking about AMC could be a big different story, because I know a lot about what AMC is doing day to day. Read all the news articles on AMC, and Shiba's the same way now too, right? I know, like, I can just picture the chart in my head without ever pulling it up. Like, I can just close my eyes and see the entire thing. So to give price targets on those for me would be a lot easier. Prague, I only know like what's recently happening and the support and resistance levels. So my $5 price target for Prague is strictly technical in nature. It's strictly based on this channel that we were in and the resistance that we have back in this area right here. So that's me doing a little bit of technical analysis. Now, as far as like how many holders Prague has and all of its upcoming projects and so on, the short squeeze makes it a much different beast, okay? Prague actually has exceptionally good short squeeze numbers. So I do think that Prague being able to hit these, what I think would be ridiculous, like 20 to 75 is a ridiculous move higher for Prague. But with the amount of short shares outstanding and the fact that they're paying 100% interest, annual interest right now, I do think that they are going to want to close those shorts out very soon. And I think that with the amount of shorts that they have to cover, you will see some drastic gains. But for me to like reasonably sit here and tell you where I think it could go based on that, I don't know. I don't know. It's strictly technical analysis from what I'm able to see, because I'm not as like in tune as I should be to be able to comfortably give a price prediction for anything beyond that $5 technical level. Ripped Out Redemption, nice nasty George W on AMC right now. Yes, we do have a little bit of a George W form in there, and I hope we break out of it. Break out of this resistance at 42.32. I was actually looking at some AMC options this morning, so I know if you bought some options, you're already doing excellent. If you bought some options with a Friday's expiration, you're already doing excellent right now. You could have got them at, you still could have been doing good getting them at like $40.80 this morning. So that's very nice. Every live, bro. Every live. Manny, good deal. I love it. Thank you for being very active. The wannabe, gotcha, the wannabe millionaire. Let's get it in. Hey, Manny, everybody wants to be a millionaire. So let's make it happen, dude. Let's make it happen. Love the tips on the wedges. So far, all is bullish. Patricia, I would agree. Everything is looking bullish, not only on AMC, but on Shiba Inu as well. And I mean, Prague just having a beautiful morning today, too. MJ, Clay, you buy Shiba whenever you want, man. Definitely. It's exactly when you should buy anything. Clay, is it still a good time to buy Shiba at the current price? Yeah, MJ, man. If you want to buy it now, I think it's good, but we are testing that level of resistance, and it is looking good. We just pulled out the 4-hour chart, and it did show us that we're starting to develop an uptrend on the 4-hour chart. This is the first time I've actually been in my head over this stock. Too much for chat, but would just help if we knew when this stuff was going down. Oh, Chris, man, it would be amazing if we knew when it was going down, man. That would put so many people at ease. If you ever stop being a bum and do some prog DD, I'd love to hear your thoughts. You should do a solo video on that bad boy, especially with this Gamma for Friday. I feel like it's game time in an exciting way. I would kind of okay. Maybe I can try to look at some of the numbers and some more DD on what Prog's got going on, because I'm excited about Prog too, man, because I own some of it, so I do want it to go up. Watching the option channel on SPY, IWM on the put side. Hedges will be betting big money, following the money, or follow the money. Yeah, Brad, follow smart money if you want, man. But on all trades, you don't have to follow the smart money. They're not always right. I have 110 pounds in Shiba right now. Should I put more in profit, or will it rise? I don't think it's too late. Okay, clearly you're not going to be able to make the same amount of gains as the same percentage gains as you could have from the beginning of the year, but I don't think it's too late. And guys, I hate to do this, but it is 1 o'clock, and I do have some stuff to do before the next live stream, and I do want to try and readjust all the settings on this computer to try and make sure the video is not lagging and everything's fine, because it is lagging a little bit on here. So I want to try and get that stuff taken care of. I know it was a much shorter live stream than normal, only an hour, but you know, it's because I had a lot of problems to begin with. So with it being 1 o'clock, we are going to take a break for lunch. We will be back, instead of just going straight through, we will be back at the 3 o'clock hour. We'll do that live stream then. And then, I don't know, take some time, eat some lunch, get some work done, whatever you guys got to do. 30,000 extra calls on the money and over 350, and the float is small. Yes, guys, and all things are looking good for Prog right now. So the potential gamma squeeze, if we get a nice run up this week, would lend to a potential catalyst for the short squeeze coming there. You think Dogecoin is dead? I do not think Dogecoin is dead. Bye, Clay. See you later. Bye, Clay. See you soon. Rita! Laters, brothers. Lewis, yes. Bye-bye. Julie, see you, Clay. Letterman assignment. Absolutely, man. Clowny, see you later. What? Inu? I don't even know what that coin is, man. Inu. Well, if you decide you want to look at ANKR on your break, I won't be mad. All right. Amber, ANKR. I will try to remember that as well. Christian, later, remember the like button. Yes, remember the like button, guys. And we will be back in about 2 hours, okay? I know I'm cutting it short, but we had a lot of problems with the stream this morning, and I hope to get all that stuff worked out. Stacks was in the house, but keep him quiet. Catch you later, Stacks 8 Nation. Thank you for being in the house and not for keeping quiet, man, but thank you for being in the house. Absolutely appreciate it. Duma coin? Bring your outgoing audio down, brother. Your peak, yeah, Nicholas. It's been a mess, man. Everything's been a mess this morning. So I'm hoping to have that all fixed by the afternoon stream. Bye, everyone. See you later, Frodo. See ya. Peace out, Kevin. Yep, like button, everyone. Definitely Rita. Later, man. All right, guys. You know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.